sustainability era. So continuing with that, so the first speaker of today is Mr. Kawaguchi-san. He is the Managing Director at Mitsui Chemicals India Limited. And today he is going to speak on business solutions for sustainable packaging and circular economy. He intends to establish Mitsui Chemicals as the major solution provider of sustainable packaging in India. So over to you, Kawaguchi-san. Yeah, thank you.
Everyone, my name is Jun Kawaguchi from Mitsui Chemicals India. Today, I'd like to discuss the solution offered by the Mitsui Chemicals India to reduce and reuse of plastic in packaging. At first, I would like to introduce Mitsui Chemicals Group and our sustainability goals and how our products are helping in virgin plastic reduction. Please see the video.
Changing lifestyles throughout the ages to make life more comfortable.
Healthcare solutions. Second one is mobility solutions, including the performance polymer for packaging. Third one is ICT solutions, including coating and films for packaging industries. Fourth one is basic and green materials. We offer the products across the value chain of the packaging industries. We offer unique polymers with excellent adhesion and sealing property and barrier properties. And also,
over to you, Abhineet.
Good morning, everybody, and thank you, Kawaguchi-san, for handing over to me. So, in the upcoming slides, I would like to explain to you about how the solutions from Mitsui Chemical are helping our clients to reduce the usage of plastic. So, it has been observed that when we shift from traditional multi-layer packaging structures to monomaterial structure, there is an increase in the plastic usage in terms of thickness, in terms of weight. So we have been creating the solutions which can be used to improve the properties, especially barrier properties and sealing properties of the monomaterial, so that the overall thickness and weight of the packaging can be reduced. So we are working on three-pronged strategy. One is the usage of hybrid film. Second is the use of recycled materials, and third is to use the paper packaging, to shift to paper packaging in order to completely eliminate the plastic. So at first, let's understand about the hybrid films. So all of us are aware that when we shift from conventional structure to monomaterial structures, as shown in this picture, the ability to recycle gets improved, but at the same time, there is a lot of scope for improvement.
We would like to spend the time to look into the flexible packaging and heat seal coatings and why these are a really important combination. And then, of course, also focus on sustainability, because there are many topics that are currently ongoing, and heat seal coatings can also be a good support to design more sustainable packaging. But I want to start with a short introduction. Sorry for my Hindi, but I try. And also thanks to Nadine and the team of Allied Plus for this excellent organization and the conference so far. I really enjoy it. And yeah, I will be talking about specialty acrylics for flexible food packaging applications. And I will basically focus on two major topics. I will start with a really short introduction about Evonik, the company I work for, but then I really would like to spend the time to look into the flexible packaging and heat seal coatings and why these are a really important combination. And then, of course, also focus on sustainability, because there are many topics that are currently ongoing, and heat seal coatings can also be a good support to design more sustainable packaging. But I want to start with a short introduction. I worked for Evonik, and Evonik is a global specialty chemical company headquartered in Germany. We are in the market for more than 150 years, and we are basically supplier of specialty acrylics around the globe. We have 34,000 employees in over 100 countries, so we are basically everywhere in the country. You can see on the slide some examples of areas where Evonik is active, and we don't produce these end products, but Evonik supplies the raw materials for all these applications, so we are part in all of these with our specialty chemicals. And one area that is of course of interest for this audience here is the packaging market, and here we have more than 40 years of experience when it comes to high performance heat seal binders based on specialty acrylics chemistry, and these products are known under the brand name Acrylics since 2019. The last 2 days we heard already quite a lot about the flexible packaging market, and that this is gaining more and more popularity, and there's an anticipated growth rate of around 5% for the next few years for this market. And the market, of course, can be divided in many different sectors, and one that is growing with one of the highest growth rates nowadays is the food packaging market. Because
and to Mr. Abhineet Shrivastava.
I'm going to request Pranav Bhalara, Director Balaji Multiplex from Rajkot, to please come on the dais and hand over Rajesh Pathak his memento, please. Mr. Bhalara. We call him